Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how you can easily add a user-friendly comment screen to your apps with the Ionic Design Kit. On your screen's left side, join us as we explore coding with official Ionic documentation snippets. Right in the middle, we're highlighting our designed layouts, all made possible with the Ionic Design Kit. Then, on the right side, check out a phone emulator displaying the live outcomes of our coding work. Feel free to pause this video anytime if you want to take a deeper look at what we're covering. Let's focus on a feature we're excited about, the comments screen. It's a unique area in an app where users can leave feedback through reviews, ratings, and comments. It's the heart of user interaction, bringing user experiences to life. So why is the Ionic Design Kit a game changer? Picture a toolkit that lets you drag and drop elements effortlessly, eliminating the need to build from scratch. That's the advantage for designers. And developers? You'll enjoy a smoother coding experience since every necessary component comes from the Ionic framework. This ensures a seamless, efficient process that encourages collaboration between designers and developers. Curious about the code? Just visit our website for all the snippets and resources you need. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. We've got many more guides and insights coming your way, all aimed at enhancing your mobile app development with the Ionic Kit. Catch you in the next video.